If you're wondering how to export contacts from GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to move your valuable contact list from GetResponse with just a few simple steps, and why you might want to consider alternatives as we go through this process. Stick with me till the end, because not only will you learn how to do this in minutes, but I'll also share an exclusive deal on a better solution for your needs. So let's dive right in. First thing you'll want to do is log into your GetResponse account. After you're in, head over to the Contacts tab on the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find all of your contacts organized by lists. You can select one list or multiple lists depending on what you need. Next thing, once you're in your chosen list, you'll see an option that says Export. Click on that and choose your preferred file format. Typically, you'll have the choice between CSV or Excel files. CSV is usually a safe bet for most users, especially if you plan to use your contacts with other platforms or software. After you select the format, you'll click Export again. GetResponse will prepare your contact file and email it to you, which will take a minute or two. Once you receive the email, you can download your contact list straight to your device. Now, if you're planning to export multiple lists, you may need to repeat this process for each one. This is a bit tedious compared to some other platforms, but it's fairly straightforward. The fourth thing to consider is the limitation of GetResponse's export feature. While it's useful for basic needs, GetResponse's export capabilities aren't as customizable as some might expect, especially when it comes to filtering contacts based on specific tags or criteria. You'll often end up downloading larger files than necessary, which can be a hassle if you're dealing with a huge database. And here's the twist. While GetResponse is a solid tool for email marketing, if you're looking for more flexibility and powerful contact management options, there are alternatives that offer more robust features for contact exports. These alternatives also provide better tools for managing customer relationships and segmenting your list before exporting, which GetResponse just doesn't quite match up with. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you stick with me until the end, I'll tell you about an exclusive offer for a software that's actually better suited for your goals. It's more intuitive, offers better segmentation, and gives you a cleaner export process with more filters, so you don't end up with a huge pile of unnecessary data. But that's not all. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. You'll be able to try it out for longer and see firsthand how much easier your contact management process could be. So to wrap it up, exporting contacts from GetResponse is easy, but it's not perfect. The process could definitely be smoother and more flexible. If you're looking for something more advanced with better features, I've got you covered with an incredible alternative that's worth your attention. Check the first link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial, plus the other alternatives that might work better for your business goals. Trust me, you won't regret exploring these options.